Happy Thursday. Today's not Thursday. Happy Wednesday. I am getting ready to go to an event. Oops, come on you. To an event. Because there's a new med spa opening in the area and I got invited. Exciting about that. It's called Attune. Oops, what the heck. At the event, they're gonna be doing like little mini facials and B12 shots and what else? Consultations, and they're gonna have like a little bar area with all sorts of wellness. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup right now. We're going makeup free, obviously, because what's the point of wearing makeup to an event where you're gonna get a facial? So here we are. I was going to get the B12 shots, and I told my mom last night that they're doing these B12 shots, and she had a full-blown meltdown. She's like one of those people who's like, I got a bad feeling about this, don't do it. I have a feeling. So I was like, why can't I get this earring in? I was like, you know what, fine, I'm not gonna do it. Fair enough, you win. Because she was like, what happens if you get an allergic reaction or anything happens and you're by yourself? And I was like, okay, fine, I won't do it. But everything else, we're doing everything else. The facial, the consultation, all the other stuff, like that's happening. If I can get these earrings in. Okay, I don't know if I like this actually, which is actually good for me. I saw this looking different in my brain than it actually looks. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to do a regular old sneaker and then I'll be comfortable anyways. So I'm gonna go with the sneaker and get out of here because I'm probably already running late. So let's get out of here. Okay, I think I told a lie. I'm gonna wear these sandals. They look, this whole outfit is giving early 2000s. Right? Like the sandals and these pants. Yeah, I think that this is gonna be it. Okay, I think we're gonna go you today. This one is great. Really, really, really nice. I got this at a shop in Times Square that I cannot remember the name of, but I will put it in the description. It smells really good. If you like kind of musk sort of scent, she's your girl right here. Let's spray and like, seriously, now I have to go. Let's go. So the event was great, just got back. It was really nice. That spa is really, really nice. It's small, intimate. I could definitely see myself going there for another treatment. I got the 15-minute facial and it was like a detox facial. So she was using this tool on me and before she started using it, she said, just to let you know, you might feel some like so involuntary muscle movement. I said, okay. So that's why my lip was just doing like this on its own. But it felt really great. And I could tell like my entire, she's chiseled. Love it, right? That was really good. And they were doing like the shots, which I didn't get. Didn't do it, but I brought home a goodie bag. Thank you for your support, team. They were so lovely. Oh, the woman who did my facial, her name was Gina. She was very good. Highly recommended. Got a little face mask. Ooh. Fabulous. Oh, crystal and some other. I wonder if am I supposed to burn this? I don't know. Oh, a notebook. Can never have too many of these. They had a bunch of these products in the shop. Another one. Ooh, a body oil. It's getting warm outside, so I'll be using that soon. And a body balm. Is this a... Oh, super nourishing formula combines lasting hydration of a lotion with the anti-aging benefits of a serum. Great. First class free. Oh, at Cycle Bar. Fun. Maybe I'll do that this week just for fun. Perfect. Now, I'm either going to make dinner or order dinner. I haven't decided yet. It's getting late. I might just order something super light and call it a night. So, see you tomorrow. Good morning. Just finished my coffee and my protein oats, which I made last night, which were delicious. Today, I need to go to the gym. I'm actually running late already. Actually, I don't even know if I've been using this Apple Watch for years, and I just did an update on it. And I normally always use it to track my move goals, and for some reason the other day, it just stopped working. So we'll see if it works. I haven't used it in a couple of weeks. After the gym, I'm training. What am I training today? Shoulders, triceps, chest. After the gym, I need to run to the grocery store to get dinner. I have no groceries here. And then I gotta go to Target because I need to try to find some kind of light. Actually, maybe I can go to Best Buy. Oh, amazing. I got a notification, so at least something's working. I need to go to Target or Best Buy to get like a light for my camera because I want to film a video today and probably edit it tomorrow. And then I'll probably show you what I make for dinner. I haven't decided what I'm gonna have yet. Something healthy, high protein. The reason why I even put protein powder in my oats now is because I just want to jumpstart the protein early in the morning before I go to the gym. At least that's one source of protein that I'm getting before I even have my main meals of the day. So let me just make up my bed, get my little act together. Oh, I think I have some skincare downstairs that I need to go get. Very excited about that. A new vitamin C serum and niacinamide. So I'm really excited to add that into my routine. And yeah, it should be just kind of a chill day today, not a ton going on. And yeah, let's hit the gym. Okay, it is like 7:30. It's taking me all day to accomplish what I need to accomplish. But I'm actually gonna get my little microphone up here because she's right here now. I'm actually pretty excited. I finished a YouTube video today, which was great. I shot it, edited, and uploaded this YouTube video. So that's done. I got a little microphone. I have this light, as you can probably tell. It's kind of bright in here now, but I have a whole light that I got for my camera. So I'm a little bit better lit now. And now I'm going to make my dinner. By the time this goes up. Oh, my mom is calling me. One second. All right, sorry about that. Where was I? Oh yes, so about to make my dinner. I'm doing something really simple. I like to do this just to get kind of like a lot of protein into my dinner. So I'm gonna do some ground chicken with some plant-based rice that I really like. I'll go get it so I can show everybody in a second. And then I'll do black beans and I'll mix the ground chicken with a little bit of taco seasoning just to like spice it up a little bit. Oh, I got some pico. Put that in there too. Oh, probably some kale so I can get my vegetables in. And yeah, you do like a bowl of that. It saves great. So there's a ton of leftovers after the fact. And that is that. Sorry, this wasn't like the most exciting day today. I've just been kind of running all over the place, just getting stuff. Tomorrow is a leg day. I'm getting a little bit better, as you saw at filming in the gym, not too much. I tried to still be a little bit incognito about it. Let me cook dinner and we'll chat later. So I'm getting ready to head to the gym and I actually wasn't gonna film anything today because I didn't really think there's anything exciting happening. However, I got an email from Tiffany's this morning saying that a ring that I dropped off maybe around a month ago, 3 weeks ago, is ready. So I'm gonna go pick that up. And then I figured I could just go find some lunch around where Tiffany's is and maybe pop into Blue Mercury and get a candle because I love candles. And all of mine are running out. Actually, I can show you the one that I burn in the morning. I got this one from Target and it looks great sitting here. Oh, it's still smoking because I just blew it out. But it's really running out. So I think I got this a week ago. So we need something a little bit more substantial. This is my first week doing 3 leg days instead of 2. I actually didn't even get to do cardio yesterday. I love using the stair machine, but every stair machine was taken and I just was like, I don't think I can wait another, I don't feel like waiting 30 minutes for someone to get off. So hopefully it won't be as crowded today. And yeah, run all our errands and then we'll be back. Okay, scratch everything I said yesterday. It's Saturday now. And yesterday after the gym, it was just foul outside, raining. And I just like, I don't feel like going anywhere. So I went home. So now I'm actually going to do everything that I said I was going to do yesterday, today. So gotta go to Tiffany's today. I'm going to go for lunch at my favorite restaurant in the area, which I'm really excited about. And then I need to run to, maybe we'll run to Blue Mercury like I said I was going to do, but I do need to go to this place called Glow Bar where I go get a monthly facial. It's like a membership, how they do it. I think you pay like a monthly fee and you get a facial for 30 minutes every month. And then because I'm a member, you also get like, 15% off the products. So I need to get a new moisturizer. Then I'm gonna go home and cook salmon and broccoli, but I'm gonna make it fun. Not just like salmon and broccoli, So let's go ahead and do that. I really need gas in my car, first of all. Maybe I can find a gas station on the way because my gas light's about to come on. I'm not good about filling up my car when it needs gas. So let's go find gas, get lunch, and do all these errands. Now I'm gonna start cooking dinner. It's gonna be a healthy one. I'm gonna do some broccoli rabe and white beans, a little red pepper flake. I'll probably add some chicken stock in there just to kind of liven things up a little bit. not really liven them up. What's the better way to say that? To bring everything together, little chicken stock. And then I'm gonna do salmon on a cedar plank outside. It's a little windy, so hopefully that goes okay. I'll probably have to wear a raincoat. Next week's gonna be really nice. So next week would have been a better time to do this, but we're doing it today. And this dinner comes together really, really fast. So let's do it. It shouldn't be too hard. And it's, like I said, super healthy and delicious, more importantly. Hello, happy Tuesday. I am going to go get my lashes done. That's why I have my glasses on right now. Not that my lashes, not that I've lost a lot or anything. I just am excited to have them done so then you can see the finished result. They look very good at the end, trust me. I only go to my favorite lash tech ever. I will never go to anybody else. She's so fast. I can get in and out in an hour with a fill, so she's the best. I've used to go to lash techs and they would take sometimes 2 hours to do a fill. That's just too long. I have places to be, people to see, things to do. We gotta be faster than that. 1 hour and my lashes, I've never looked better from anybody else. So I will only go to her. And then I'm gonna go to my apartment, get some things done over there. I think that'll be the end of the vlog for this week. And then, I see a dachshund. Okay, sorry. And then we'll pick it up in about a week or so when I'm actually doing something enjoyable. So, let's get my lashes done. Wow.